good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and right now it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video. So right now it's around 6:20. I just wake up from my house, and actually I'm taking my sister to school. So today it's on Monday, and we just been with my sibling closely to a month, and right now it's time for them to go back to school. Yesterday I escorted my brother who studied in university. He got to school. So today on Monday he's supposed to be in class, and at the same time I'm gonna take my sister to school. So I think yesterday evening I bought for her some books. I think 4 of them for now. And I know, like most of school in Africa, when it's first time to open the school on our first year, you know, like today it's a manual work, doing some cleanliness in class, outside, you know, going even to the toilet, doing some cleanliness. And then maybe from tomorrow they're gonna start a serious study. So now guys, as I speak here, this is my phone. I'm telling you, it's okay, it's date 5 on 1st January. It's date 5 on January, 2026. So maybe these videos, when my sister in future there will be a successful lady, I'll show her. So anyway, let's go. I don't want to take time because time is on not my side. So let's go. Look, the home of chicken. I don't know if my birds are sleeping, but I have no idea. Maybe they are migrated to another place, but for me, no idea. Wow. Even I'm telling you here, I'm freezing, but I need to walk with my sister. So funga gate. Telling my sister to close the gate. At this particular time I'll take my sister with a motorbike, but no gasolina, you know. So, and also guys, remember, as we watch these videos, next week on Wednesday I supposed to take another brother who joined secondary, and he's a footballer, by the way. So let's go. Umeweka nini kwa peps? Huh? Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Bana hukufua bag? Huh?
Tulifuaga.
Mkafuaga wana ni chafu.
Tulifuaga itachafukaga huo dada.
Wana ni chafu. Sungiweka sehemu nzuri. Nani alikuraulia hapa juu bag? Hapa. Mani kununia bagi nzuri, ona hapa. Nani alirarua bagi ona?
Hapo ilitokaga.
Amuna achaka watoto wanakuraulia. Okay, let's go. Turn viatu. You have already blushed the shoes. Or applying the polish. We call polish, I don't know. Hey. Alright, let's go. Na vitabu zani kununulia ziko wapi?
Vitabu.
Tuone. Amuja beba vitabu. So guys, yesterday evening I bought my sister some books because I realized I think it's for June. Each utaandika hicho sasa. Ona this mata nyaboni. Zimebaki 6. Haya tutakunulia jioni. So guys, I bought 4 because these 4 books here, and I realized today they didn't, you know, like start writing or start the study. Acha kuturunkaina vitabu. Geuza hivi. Majina yana naangalia chini. Okay, did you have the pencil? Iko wapi? Let's see the pencil. Sharpen.
Sharpen. sijui penye mama aliweka, ni jana nilitafuta nikachongea na nini.
Okay, weka penseli humo. So you need to have a sharpener. Alafu hii bagi haijafuliwa. Twende. So I left home in a good time. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm the guy who value education. And when you see these videos, it doesn't have a good quality. I'm shooting early in the morning right now, but I see somehow the sun will be out anytime. Okay, let's go. And guys, you know, like where you see the iron sheet, that's our space, and where I build the house, that's our space. You know, this land, the owner supposed to sell it. Even yesterday he removed the fence here, or the barbed wire, and I told him, hey, can you maybe squeeze me up this side here, so at least maybe in the future I'm gonna build my house down there, you know. But you know, I don't know. So he need around 600,000 Kenyan shillings. But my intention was from that iron sheet, when I can get maybe a space up to here on these stones, or maybe on that bigger stones, down there I can build a house, you know. But I said, no, I'm selling the whole land. It's all well, because they're coming in a bad way, but when I didn't like have any idea. So twende tembea kwa barabara. You know, even our car outside right there, you know. So like for me, I have a serious family, you know. We just working so hard. Like yesterday, I visited my brother's land where he rented. I show you how we harvest maize. And to be a farmer is not an easy thing, because it's need you to rent on people's land. You buy fertilizer, you buy this, you buy some seed, corn, you know, beans. Also, it's need you to help people to plant maize. Man, it's a lot. You spend a lot. But anyway, on this video is to take my sister back to school. This first month on 2026. I hope one day when she will be grown up, I'll show her these videos, you know, how I struggle with her. Sorry guys. And I always tell you, I'm always telling you guys, like, I just wake up very in the morning. When my sister came to call me, I was on my phone, you know. Yeah. Tembea saidi hapo kutoka pikipiki zipite. Wewe. Fresh. Hautasumbuliwa na inywele? Tangu kutoa matontoni. Kwani kofi kwenye vile kawaii?
Tulikuanga tunasomba.
Guys, there's some blackjack right here. I'm trying to remove my sisters on the cape. You know, sometime. Okay, let's go. And guys, when you see my sister wear like this, it's through courtesy of one of my subscriber made it possible. Like, hey, hi, like, hey, can you buy your sister some school bag, school uniform? Even I can't remember, but the bag I can remember. Mom Janet Dicker from all the way from Canada. She bought for my sister's school bag. And oh my god, guys, if you're watching these videos, and I know both of them, they are my mom who supports my sister, I forgot it. But if you remember, you can, you know, comment to the comment section. Yeah? She was going to school like a rich kid, you know. Zimekuwa kubwa. Shake. Imekutana mzee dad. Hi. Yo. Morning. Dad.
How are you?
Morning, man.
Morning, man.
Yeah.
You good?
And go to job.
Hi, Buki job. Kasana trend. Haya. Telo ndo manamukutana mukali job. Eh. Amne gari kupahira. Sasa me. Antane gasi. Ama hindi pate bachukiro na mama. Eh. Okay. So down here we have the river. You know, deeply you have the river. When it's raining, guys, we struggle to pass with a motorbike. Yeah. And imagine you have some leaders, but at the same time we have poor roads here. And that's why maybe each and every time you see me going to the car wash, washing my bike, it's because of that place and because of our road here. But I know when it could be in America, a road like this could be a tarmac road, trust me. So I don't know how leaders taking us or how leaders controlling us, but other places in towns, they are being well developed. When you compare to the interior part of the village, nothing. Baby bag. Guys, as you watch my series, consider subscribing. This is your boy Hello Baby Official, and I'm wearing Kenya. I'm a Kenya, guys. You see right here. Okay. Then guys, you wanna see around, it's around 6 people just wake up going to look for the job. Like for those that I meet on these videos. Oh, that's a bag mtaka kuchania. Nini kilichana?
Unaona vile vile tulinunua. Jadi kaenda kama leo kile. Mama akaifua na brush hapo.
Akasubuhi kachanika.
tena kidogo tena singine akafua ikachana.
Sawa, anapanguza na doki hapo, mwambie hivyo.
Bosi wangu.
Bosi wangu.
Nakweje bosi wangu?
Fresh.
Nimekuona.
Haikuruera.
Mwana tu kuisuire kidogo bosi.
Kara wapo, okay.
Karibu.
Always. Anapeleka ushure.
Sawa.
Kulingana sasi.
Sasa
Geukwe.
Ata.
Tacho mtomo nken turingana nge company. Wenda ringu mwana. Kana ya mutiga turinga. Usino
Tayo huwa.
Haya. And right now, guys, it's a harvest season. You can see even this maize have been already dry up, so they're still waiting for harvest. But this one here, no. I'm telling you, here, hey, look, big maize. Yeah, look at this. Oh my God. Yeah, you can plug this or peel it and then you roast the maize. Look. Hey, aya, 20. I'm just showing my peoples how that maize grew in a good way. Look, when you compare from that line, for example, if you have like 2 hectares or 2 acres, the same size of that maize, you have a lot of sacks of maize. Najua umechelewa. Kasa maana sasa ni watoto barabarani. And guys, when I take my sister to school, there is a song for Bob Marley. It's reminding me when he was taking I don't know, maybe his daughter or maybe his son, I don't know, taking one of them to school. Sasa kurudi nitarudi mwenyewe. Ama nitakaa pikipiki.
Sijui.
Hujui? Okay. Guys, it's a walking distance. Imagine I walk around 18 minutes up to this place. Why, man? So trendy.
Nilikuwa ngana kadeti ya tatu grade 1. Wakanipeleka ingine.
Kupeleka desk ya ngapi?
5.
Desk mbona?
Tena wakanitoa hiyo 6. Wakanipeleka nyuma kabisa.
Ulikuwa unasumbua? Mbona?
Ati Jumana. Kama leo wewe ni mgonjwa. Kesho uende. Utapata mwingine amekaa kwa hiyo desk.
Siombe desk ni yako.
Kijana sana kaa hapa. Kijana anasemanga kaa hapa.
Asiboru umesoma. Kika nyuma unaona kwa ubao.
Lakini za chini kabisa sioni.
My sister, she was telling me a story here. In grade 1, she was supposed to sit on a 3rd chair or on a 3rd seat. When sometimes she was feeling sick and she had some tooth problem, when maybe she was missing like 3 to 4 days without going to school. The following day when she go to school, the class teacher pushed her to the back seat, the last seat. And I told her, when you sit the last seat, did you see anything on the board? They said, yes, I see Well, down, I didn't see anything. Unafanyanga mtihani mwenyewe amuna hivi. Usiwahi ibi, umesikia? Ukiibi unakuwa mjinga. I'm telling my sister, did you do your own exam or you are smuggling from others? She told me I just do my own exam, and I advise her don't ever smuggling an exam, because when maybe one day she'll start or sit on final examination, they'll like start struggling. But my family are very genius and very smart. Sasa nushika nyingine tena. Yeah. Whew. Now guys, even Musubirie mwende naye. This is a church here, guys, and I told you every school in Africa they're supposed to have a church. This is a church, you have a school here, and the hospitals are maybe around 1 kilometer. Ulienda shule? Mnasoma na Japani wote darasa moja? They're classmates. Kimbia mwende. Alright guys, I'm just go back. Guys, do you believe this Africa? Now I'm heading home after escorting my sister to school. So actually, let me know in the comment section what you think about on this vlog. And for me, it's very difficult to shoot the videos early in the morning, fresh. So, but it's it's pushed me to take my sister to school, and she'll be the successful lady in my family. So one day, maybe when I'll be too old, let me say 90 years there, from 70 to 90 years, they will support me, they will push me like, my big brother, have this, you're the one who supports us. Anyway, me, I just trust and believe I'll reach 100 years. That's my that's my vision. Only 100 years, I'm ready to go. But I'm telling them too late. Yes, as long as guys I take care of myself, I'll reach 100 years. Okay, see you on my next video, guys. So guys, I'm in Nyabohan's right now at Chef Matiko's mom's hotel. I want to buy mandazi here. Mama, I thought I'd be up here and there me. So I'm buying mandazi right here. Unyenge man. Oh, that's 5. And we have some people working at home. So even them, they need to have breakfast. I'm so hungry plus to be tired. Hmm? Tora utora lelo boss. Okay, kango tema roto. Okay guys. So then I'll head out. Nane. So guys, I'm telling you, these are African snack or mandazi, and it tastes so sweet. Okay guys, it's time to go back home. Nan. So guys, I'm just back home. Muita hoga man. Ah, muito mere bon. Saka. Kaya ang kulit nani. Nigora gari ni gihur. Yeah. Nigora gari ni gihur. Okay guys. Kano tao ko dito rin pa. Garing gamba hiyo. Now, this is the shaft here. You see? Guys, this is the maize corn here, and we are moving shaft to the Gentani. And who here? So guys, this is the shaft here. When you need your maize to be, dry, quick and fast, you need to remove the you need to remove the shafts at least. You see guys, the mountain of maize corn right here, look. And also you almost to finish up, so we move from that area, we put here on this sewing machine. This is the local sewing stuff, and then we seal the maize corn, put here. Actually it's a nice idea. Don't mind guys, although I just wearing heavy jackets because I was driving the bike going and bring mandazi for my family. So I'll stick around here until I wait that guy. He went to other side because when I get out from this place, and right now my mama, she went somewhere else, people will store in the maize here in an easy way. You can come with a basin and you scoop, and then you hide to the bush, or maybe you hide to the maize inside. So I'm gonna stick around here and see how everything is, So for my new subscriber, this is what I'm calling home. This is my grandma home. But first, right there that you see one iron sheet coming from other side right there. That's my great grandma home. That's my grandma home, or my dad's parent home. And also that's my home where I'm belong to. And I'm trying to build my mom's house. Actually, I'm still waiting my engineer. I don't know what's happened with him, but I'm still waiting him, So I personally, I need to push myself to an extent where I could see how I can finish that house by fixing some courses, and then from there I should plan how I'll get the timbers, iron sheets. We have a lot of things to do. But when I finish doing everything about the roofing, I'll put the frames, all rooms, and also windows, and then from there I'll start plastering the house. That's my big intention, and that's my plan, you know. So let's wait him, guys. I'm okay. Wewe ndo utanipanga nisikie.
Sasa inatakiwa hapo niwe na fundi mmoja. Nikiwa na fundi mmoja tunaweza tukatengeneza hiyo kitu.
Ipigwa maboksi na kukorogea.
Maboksi hayo ni kazi.
Hizi za pila.
Za pila? Za pila kwanza.
Ndio
kweli kama pila ndio inabidi zisimame kwanza.
Ndio
tulisema tunaanza na nje.
Ndio tukorogeza nje ziishe, ndio kesho yake zibanduliwe ziende kule ndani.
Lakini sasa ni kama jana ndio nilikuwa naongea nao wakina Bonge. Wananiambia kwamba hata siku hizi uchukui simu yao. Kwa nini?
Sasa nilikwambia simu yangu ina shida. Unaweza piga ikate, unaweza piga nikishika tukatae kuelewana.
Unajua, ngoja nikwambie Ngulai. Hata kama mtu una deni lake. We ukiwa unapokea na simu yake mnaongea. Haitakuwa mbaya, lakini mtu akiona kwamba anapiga simu hata siku nyingine unampigia na mwambia bana, hali yangu haijawa vizuri kwa hivi na hivi. Hapo mtu anakuelewa.
Sasa Zakayo tuliongea na
Zakayo aliniambia alitumia namba nyingine, alikuwa anatumia namba yake umpokei. Akatumia namba nyingine ukaipokea. Alivyoita angula ukamsikia ukakata simu.
Sasa mimi nitaanzaje kukata simu? Unaona, Zakayo alinipigia siku ya kwanza na namba yake, nikamwambia, akaniambia wewe sikukipata pesa. Utuambie siku yenye tulipo ukipata hizo pesa. Ngambia sasa nikipata pesa nitawaleta. Unaona kama saa hii ndugu yangu anaenda shuleni. Sina kitu chochote, mwenye anaenda kujoin secondary. Sasa niliwaambia nikipata pesa hiyo nitawapatia. Akasema ni sawa. Akasema wewe ukipata utupigie simu. Nikamwambia nikipata nitawapigia simu, naweza waletea wenyewe.
Wenyewe ndio waliniambia hivyo jana, nilikuwa nao.
Sasa hapa wananiita Conman.
Si Conman. Ona, yani mimi hiyo najua mtu akiwa na deni anaogopa. Sasa mtu nimwambie nini? Hapana. Unamwambia, na ukimwambia mtu anakuwa uhuru kabisa. Lakini kuliko ukikaa ukanyamaza au mtu akakupigia simu usipokee, anafikiri kwamba unamaanisha, yani umezamiria kufanya hivyo.
Hapana, yani wewe hata kama ingewezekana ungekuja hata kama ni Bonge ama Zakayo ama Joffrey wakuja wanimalizie simiti siharibike hapa. Kwa sababu hizi pila za ndio inipatie unafuu.
Wenyewe waliniambia kwamba kuja kumaliza si shida. Lakini uongee na wao. Wewe sasa walivyobakiza deni, hata sasa umekuwa kama adui, hata utaki kuongea na wao, hata wakikupigia simu huwezi kupokea. Unaona? Mimi najua hawawezi kushindwa kuja kumaliza. Wanaweza wakamaliza. Lakini uwe open, usijifiche, uwe open.
Sasa basi
ukiwa open unajua mtu unakuwa huru. Na ukianza kujificha kwa sababu unaogopa kwamba au mtu anakudai, mtu yeye atafikiria vingine.
Sasa mimi vile nilikwambia, si hadi wewe niko na deni yako, nikwambia nikipata hela nitakutumia. Sio wewe unasubiri. Lakini wenyewe nikiwaambia leo watamaliza siku 3 wanipigie simu waniambie vipi vanira hela yetu. Naambia bado sijapata.
Nao watu waliiba nyundo yangu. Sasa hata hela nataka wailipe. Na kina Manipawa walipa.
Manipawa nilimulipaka kitambo. Pesa yake ilikuwa ni kidogo.
Sasa nyundo yangu ilipotea hivyo.
Ile nyundo kufanya ukweli. Ile nyundo ni Bonge ilienda na ile nyundo. Kwa sababu yeye ndo alifanya kazi hapo. Ile nyundo ni Bonge ndo ako naye.
Sawa.
Haya, sasa mnakuja lini?
Ngoja nipange mtu mmoja hapo nione.
Haya. Guys, that's a call from my engineer, and I put it clear, you can understand him. So we are speaking the matter of building the front porch, that one there, putting the boxes. You can see the timbers down right here. We fix the boxes, we put the concrete, and also inside here to do some decoration of the living room and also dining room right there. And at the back porch here we put this pillar, and there the rinto. We only remaining with that one. But again, you know, guys, to be honest, I left the money for my engineer, 4,000, and also the money for my two mason, 2,000, because initially back I was left with a lot of money of people's here, mason, handman. But the handman, I clear the debt, so I was remaining with the money for my engineer, 4,000, and also the mason, two of my mason, I paid them, and I remaining with the debt of 2,000. So that's 6,000, the debt that I was remaining with. But other mason, they were been calling me, I'm a con man, and I told them, hey bro, at this time I didn't have money. But when they reached me directly, I talked with him. So by the time being goes, they were been calling engineer, oh, hello baby is a con man, they didn't want to pay me, they didn't want to pay us some money. Imagine. But I think if I can get $100, I could clear those bills for the debt. And also, as you know, even this steel bar here, imagine from 67,000, I paid it until I'm remaining with the debt of 30,000 in the hardware. So if I get $100, should I pay the owner of the hardware, who I have the big debt, or I can pay the small debt? But I think I have a long way to go. I need my mason to build my mom's house. Also, I need the lady for the hardware who give me this steel bar. One day when I'm going to build another house, she can give me, when maybe I didn't have money, she can give me the steel bar on credit. So the big mess that I have, it's on the hardware. And actually the owner, she was like I was having the debt of 30,000 to the guy of the hardware. Imagine from 67, I paid 37,000. I'm remaining with 30, and also those debts for the mason. And yeah, may I just put clear on the phone call, although we are speaking conversation, Swahili conversation, but even I asked my engineer, they were been calling me a con man. For what? Because I pay them since we started this house from scratch up to there. I only remaining with some few money. But anyway, that's all about life. Stay tuned, guys. We shall meet on the next video. But on this side here, the work is still going on, and I think my brother just right here. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I know right now next week you're supposed to join in school.
Yeah.
That's 14. That's on Wednesday. You know, and I haven't planned like how I can get shopping for my brother for the school, like, you know. But in terms of school fees, that one we cancel out. He was a footballer, and he get free scholarship for the football, and also we try to improve his talent. So guys, that's my brother. So by next week, you will see me taking him to school. Let me go this way. And actually, maybe from now as we speak, I have only this week. Next week, I should think of maybe from Monday to Tuesday. On Wednesday, I'll start my journey. And guys, please, if you're watching these videos, kindly help me to support my brother to go in school in a good way. But I told you, like me, I don't want to fall in a trap way. In terms of school fees, that one we cancel out because my brother, as I told you earlier, he gets a free scholarship actually for the football, and he was having that talent to be a footballer. So it's only God opened the door, and for me, I don't want to spread like the liars out. Never. Since day one, I'm straightforward. So I told you guys, the only thing that I'm going through is how I can get the money to do shopping for him, and the shopping will take I think that's 7,000, and I showed you on a receipt. There is a day I made a video. We go up to Border Town. We ask the price for the metal box, 2 blankets. I called one of the teacher where my brother was going to study. School uniform, games kits, and also from here, because he was a footballer, I need to buy the boots for the football, maybe 2 pairs, and also transport from here up to Naroko County. It's very far, and I don't know, maybe I can manage it to go with my motorbike, but I'll see. It's a long distance. Even me, it's need me to put the full tank on my bike, and also another guy who will tie it, boxes and shopping for my brother and also for my cousin, because they're going to the same school as a footballer, and also to improve their talents and also to study and work so hard. So guys, me, I'm saying this kindly guys. I know for the haters, they will say, oh, hello baby, too much big, da. It's good. I told you what I'm going through. If one of my solid subscriber will made it possible, you wanna support my brother, and I can make those shopping on the camera. You can see 1, 2, 3. Also, school shoes I need to buy, the better one. And I told him, when I can get money, I buy you another new shoes. Actually, give my cousin the shoes that I bought you 1 month ago, because it's an expensive one, and also it's a new one. I'm the guy who value education, and man, I'm telling you the way it is. One day when you see my brother and my sister smiling, it's because of you, and it's because of your pure hard working, because you just uplift your hand toward my family, and for me, from the bottom of my heart, I really support them, in a good way. At least I sleep hungry. My young brother and sister went to school and study to be the better person in the future, So, you never knew, man. So, I'm thinking about that. And that shopping is a lot. It's a lot and a lot. Even I'm remaining like, man, that one, it's number 1. So let's see. Maybe from now it's on Monday, and this video continue. I take my sister early in the morning to school, and also when she came back for the lunchtime, I'll get the full information how many books did she missed, because I bought for her four new books, and I know today they'll never start a serious study. Maybe by tomorrow they will start a serious study. So anyway guys, that's the part of my life, and also that's the part of my family. Actually, it's my family who made who I am today. It's my family who made me to go harder on my life to support them, because I'm just living with one parent. That's my mom. In other, we call her single parent. That's my mom. And my mom, she doesn't have any work like self-employment, maybe once she can go to people's farm work and get some small little money, and maybe she can sustain the small shopping here and there. maybe to buy my sister some jelly for application of the body, you know, things like that. Even I see my mama from other side. You know how she was going around? Imagine, and I'm telling you, you know. So at least let's make my beautiful mom, my African mom, to smile. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Kuravitan. That's my mom. Look, she went for hunting banana. There's some banana, mom. Imagine. Mama, she went for hunting and bring us banana. I'm telling you, we are hardworking guys. So anyway, stay tuned guys. We shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, I'm in Mabera. And I have one of the mason here. I'm Kunyisunga. Say Happy New Year. Long time bonge. Salimia watoto kona niulizie. Tata Zakaya. Happy New Year, Tata.
Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year. Uwe. Bonge. Guys, you know this is Bonge here. Happy New Year, Bonge. Happy New Year, Bonge.
The near, I don't know, the year is not good in my side.
You need your money. Bonge, you need your money. Guys, Bonge need the money. Only 2,000. Mko mnafanya wapi kazi bro?
Angurani? Kijikubiro taka kupata simu cha.
Abuli hatona.
Yeah.
Simu uliza huyu.
Haya Richi. Angura hana niambia nikuuliza ni kwa nini ashikangi simu zangu.
Sasa kama usinimeshika simu yako sasa. Tata Zakayo, sema ukweli. Usinimeshika simu yako. Mimi nimeshika simu ya Tata Zakayo, hata wewe nimeshika simu yako.
Ukaniambia tukaongea nini na wewe?
Siku nyingine ukipiga simu, kutaka nimeacha kwa nyumba tu alipiga asubuhi simu siko karibu na simu. Na renga natiki simu ya Katemera na Atem.
Sawa, kuacha simu kwa nyumba sio shida. Shida ukirudi unapata message call ama haupati.
Sasa sina credit ya kupiga.
Hauna credit.
Wallahi, I saw in God mimi sina. Simu yangu ni online. Unaweza tariti na mpiga mara nyingi online. Hayuko. Wana bonga no puni kana.
Hapo handi chimbia mwana. Veta ni chimbia tu tunataka kutini story.
Mama ajaja.
Yeah.
Sasa
ameenda kwa kama mdomba bwana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hapo hii chimbia mwana.
I'll give you money bonge.
Chimbia tu sasa. Ndio watu kwa chapa hapa.
Pona haya mzendika rule sasa kwa bonge.
Wewe ukichimbia mwana. Unitangi chana.
Na simenti inaharibika. Sasa kama umeshakula mbuzi mshimbe mkia.
Ile kabisa bongoni. Hata kama Richi mwenyewe sijamlipia ile fuene. Anasubiria.
Naomba.
Sasa nyie aliwalipa. Mimi namdai mpaka.
Yaani
amekauka.
Sasa uliza Richi anadai shilingi ngapi?
Huyu huwa mnaongea na yeye mnaelewana yeye online. Sisi simu zetu haziingia online.
Wewe unaitwaje hii?
Mtambo mkubwa lakini
iPhone.
Tani kanaanze bonge. You're killing me. Yangu isimu maike credit tikemo
ni sawa mimi sitaki.
Ngoja. Ndo hii.
Ndeigwa. Mimi sitaki unipigie.
Ndo hii.
Unitimbutu no tembere. Unini unikunyara na wote melisimu. Hata na hata misimu kona arosa. Uturidunga.
Taraigoto ridungo misimu.
Uturidunga. Uringotora bisi. Uringikure hii.
Haka nikagrupu ka dancers hivi.
Wanaenda hapo ndani. Wengine ni Wanyabu. Bonge, I'll give you money. 2,000.
Ni Wanyabu.
Ni pesa.
Wengine wa Mabera. Bonge, I'll give you money.
Acha wenyu wakakubisa.
Si kwa mimi kwa nyumba, I swear. Niliambia ulikuja. Maana msiba tu mimi naandika na igao bonge na achirehano. Mimi siko kwa nyumba, nikifanya nini kwa nyumba mchana? Katika nendo.
Yaani tosikani no muntu si ni hapo hanse. Yako, acha kunirekodi.
Mimi sikurekodi. Kunirekodi. Haya. Guys, this is my engineer here. Mr. Richard, I don't go to spoil.
Kweli wewe ulikuwepo hapa?
Guys, I just met with my engineer and we are in Joffa, the most cleanest restaurants and also club in Kuria or in Migori County. Today's today, tomorrow is another day. Akana cheki nto kama kena mse. Nani vya machomba la. This is the pure hard working of my engineer here. Rich. Naambia watu ndio tumejenga kila kitu.
Achana nao.
Jinsi unavyoona. Okay. I'm telling you guys, my engineer here, the all of this house that you see here, it's pure hard working from him. Okay. Guys, anyway, welcome to Europe. I'm telling you. Yato gore nyama. Yes. Okay guys.
Sasa unakataa nini? Hamna samaki hapo. Ni nini?
Samaki ziko bonge.
Achana zile, kuna hizi hapa.
Hivyo ni vinanivyo.
Tanda bwana, tanda urudi samaki. Guys, I'm telling you, welcome to our new Europe in our village. Okay. I don't know where I'm going to start from. Tunaenda Jerichi. We have the fish pond. This is the pure hard working of my engineer, guys. I'm telling you, look. You think you are in Europe? Hey, people are taking photos. For those ladies who love flowers. Look at that. Right. So guys, I'm in Nyabohanse right now and I left my bike here. I wanna buy some veggies for my mom. So guys, I'm in the market. I want to see the veggies. Oh my God. Come on. Yeah. Pole. Denga 10. Nimebomoa. Wakati amna nsaga. Nsaga yangu tuna. Nsaga yangu tuna mama. Hapa. Hey, no nsaga here. Alright guys, now I missed the veggies in Nyabohanse. Actually, I'm heading to Border Town. It's evening time and we are running, you know. So guys, come along with me. Travel with me in a short time, you know. And actually, I'm heading to Border Town to buy some veggies for my mom. And it's evening time. So it shows you right now we are heading to the supper time. I'm telling you. Wow. Give more like, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. This is your best moment. You're gonna subscribe to my channel and also let me know in the comment section what you think about on today's videos. Oh my God. welcome in the border town right now. Wow, this border town for you. Yeah. Border town for you. Actually, I'm heading right there. Guys, now I'm in border town. I want to buy some veggies here. I don't know. Unansaga, ma'am?
Saga sina leo. Managu na kunde.
Tunichindere chera.
Hata hizi ni tamu.
Ah?
Nimeweka.
Siza zimekomaa. Mpeke huko.
Kuwekea ngapi?
40 sini, familia ni ndogo. Yeah. Ehe. Akili na majina matatu.
Majina yamekutana.
Haya. Amta atoe sharupe. Man. Chindarenji.
Yote ni janga.
Ama ni vile ziko zimepigwa na jua. So guys, I just back home and I bought my mama and Saga. There's some veggies here. Oh, ulikuwa na zingine. So he has some other veggies, and I bought this. This is what we call Saga. You see? How do they keep peps? Keep peps? Okay guys, we are coming at the end of these videos, and also I met my engineer plus my mason, but both of my mason go hard on my dream, and I didn't understand, man, how things go, you know, but it's my evidence on my videos. I told them, relax, when I get the money I will pay you. Even they told me they didn't come to work on my site because I didn't pay them money, like, you know. So auna msiru tu medali sinya bwana. So guys, they told me like, daddy, orabina bitana magenam. So guys, my mason told me they'll never come at my home working without any payment of the debt. And actually, I met them on my video because my engineer called me. I went to the like, I think to the one of the restaurants in our village here. So we go and communicate, we make things in order. Unfortunately, the mason came, and I think they have been walking around. I don't know, maybe it's a trap, but I found them in you know, the way they were been walking in tutu, you know. So anyway guys, that's the end of the story. And imagine only this place here, only that. And I think it's evening time. Let me climb and see the vibe. This is Africa, bro. Come on, you know, this is Africa. Let's go on top. Now, my African people said, no money, no work. Yeah. Alright guys, so finally I'm on the top of the house. Man, I'm telling you, this house is so big, man. This is crazy. When I'm down, I see the house is too small. But when I'm on top, You know, the house is so big, man. This is crazy. Wow. Look, this is a massive, man, a massive project. And I'm telling you guys, yesterday, you did an amazing job. I think a half of 1,000 views. I get it. Keep with that spirit, guys. Let's see some changes. At least 1,000 per videos. I can manage even to buy one window, one door. Also even to buy some cement. Plastering is just over there. You know, iron sheet just over there. Timber for the roofing just over there. You know, buying my mom a nice bed just over there. Toilet, like to buy the sinkers for this private toilet just over there. Grill for the door, you know, glass door just over there. Man, it's a lot. Even buying my mama gas cooker, a fridge just over there, fencing, you know. I need a lot of things, but it's according to my pure hard working and also your pure hard working. Like, hey, come on, let's support Hello Baby Official by subscribing. Let's make this dream come to reality, man. Even a day like this, I can't believe like one day my mom's house could become in a good shape. Look, you know, look. And I'm not blagging anything, you know, look. So far so good. I think one of these days I'm going to introduce the lowest and one on this platform, because I need to push her for the remaining watching hour. I can't mention her, but when I will release the videos, you can also, guys, support her. You know, the day is coming, and I think last year she opened her YouTube channel. I tried to push her until 3,000 watching hours, and then I told her the left 1,000, just push yourself. So it reached a point where I see she opened on February. When it reached on February, the watching hour goes down. So I think for these 3 to 4 weeks that we have remaining ahead of us, at least I can push her for those the remaining 300 watching hour, so she can monetize her channel, and maybe one day she can build her mama house or their parent house like this, man. You know, and my intention was to build a bigger house than this. It's because of space and because of the grave of my dad, you know. And also I think the grave of my dad, when I finish everything, I'll put cemented on our compound. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next videos, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about. I'm just calm and, you know, standing in front of you like, hey, come on, watch my videos, man. Look, even I'm shocking my village where I came from. You know, like when you walk around here, you know, Nyabohansi is just on the other side, but when you walk in our community here, going up to that way, at my age, man, I do something. And like, I'm not taking, like, I'm not like the guy who pumping champagne. Never. If I could pump champagne like outside there with some friends, I couldn't even do things like this, man. At least you are pure hard working. I just put here and then you see, you know. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. Today this part of the video, since I came from the market buying some veggies, I'm speechless. But anyway, follow the vibe to the end. Let's see you on tomorrow's videos, guys. Bye bye.